Hey there, you heart-centered CEO. I know you're busy and you've got a lot going on, but I want to ask you something. When was the last time you felt truly organized and on top of your game in your business? Now, if you're like most entrepreneurs, it's probably been a while. And that's why I want to tell you about something that can help you declutter your workspace, clean up your digital files, optimize your processes, evaluate your marketing strategy, and plan for the future. It's a 5-day spring cleaning audio challenge that starts on Monday, April the 10th, and it's specifically designed for online entrepreneurs like you who want to get their business ready for growth. I know it can be hard to find times for things like this, but trust me, it's worth it. As someone who's been there, I know how easy it is to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of running a business. But the truth is, being busy doesn't necessarily mean you're being productive or successful. That's why it's so important that you take intentional steps to improve your business and your life. And this free challenge is the perfect opportunity to help you do that. During this challenge, you're going to learn how to declutter your workspace to create a more productive work environment, clean up your digital files and protect important data, review and optimize your business processes to increase efficiency, evaluate your marketing strategy to better target your audience, and plan for the future to create a sustainable and profitable business model. When you complete this challenge, you're going to have a business that is organized, efficient, and ready for success. And the best part, you'll get a 2-week free trial to the Mighty Society membership. This is a private community and supportive community of purpose driven women just like you who are committed to growing their businesses and making a difference in the world. And it's not on Facebook, so you won't have those distractions. It's actually hosted on a platform called Heartbeat, and this app is accessible on the web and on mobile devices. And the great part is, everything is in one place for you to access what you need with ease. As a member of this community, you'll also get access to support from me and the other members. There are also bite-sized lessons, done-for-you templates, roadmaps, and bite-sized videos that will help you improve your technical skills and uplevel your client experience. Again, the roadmaps and workflows that are in the membership are there to assist you with creating your business systems, and this is going to shorten the learning curve, save you time, and help you reach your goals faster because you'll have a strong business foundation that's built with scalable systems. Plus, you're going to have the opportunity to connect with the other members of the community and share your progress. I mean, just think about the energy and excitement that comes from being part of a supportive group of like minded individuals who are all working towards the same goal. So, take advantage of this opportunity to take your business to the next level this year. Sign up for this spring cleaning challenge today and start creating the sustainable and fulfilling business you've always dreamed of. Remember, success is about working smarter, not harder. So let's do this together. Get yourself on the wait list now and let's get started on this digital spring cleaning journey together.